Hello everyone. I have been constantly seeing one common question from so many freshers and experienced for last few weeks. Even so many media houses are also talking about it. I know you have guessed it right. When TCS will be giving their joining letter. So in this video, I shall explain why is the onboarding getting delayed and is there any hope that this situation may improve soon. But before going further, let me introduce myself. I, Himanshu Sharma, joined TCS Digital more than 3 years back. So, whatever I shall explain, it will be based on my personal experience. So, watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe if you really like my content. Let's move to the agenda of this meeting. Is this happening only in TCS or other IT companies like Infosys, Accenture are also facing the same? Short answer is most of the companies, be it service based or product based, they all have postponed the hiring process and some of them even revoked the offer letters made. Let's understand the core reasons for all of this happening. Reason 1, some of the projects have been shifted to other companies, like one of the project was in TCS earlier, but now it has been shifted to Wipro. This is pretty common in IT industry. I will explain you through an example. Suppose TCS is charging a client $100 per week and the other company comes with a cheaper rate, say $70, then client will move to the new company. That is obvious reason, right? But this happens both ways and most of the times TCS wins such battles. Let's move to the reason second, recession. I'm sure all of you must be aware how massive economic slowdown in American subcontinent and European countries is impacting the IT industry. And most of the projects of TCS are from those continents only. That's why there is budget issue for those clients and they don't want to spend any more money from this year. So they are postponing their hiring to the next year. But your question might be why next year only? Because unlike India, Northern American countries financial year starts from January. So whichever projects which are not able to do the requirement gathering and do the project enhancement because of budget issues, they will get the budget allocation in the next year January. So I'm sure most of those projects which are on hold will be resumed by late December. So by October or November month, most of the joining letters will be released. Along with that, those who are currently on bench will be allocated to the projects. Apart from this, there is a rumor which I'm seeing all across, that is AI tools like ChatGPT are destroying the jobs. So many IT companies are not releasing the joining letter. But this is completely absurd guys, not at all true. To sum up, if you are yet to receive joining letter, then keep upskilling yourself and definitely within next couple of months, almost all of you will be onboarded in TCS. Now I would conclude this video with just one line. In TCS, you can trust and experience certainty. Goodbye.